B, may 15 nudes daw ni Nick si Maybelline. Ito yung tatlo sa bagong nude shades ni Maybelline. So, its packaging, same pa rin sa other Maybelline Teddy Tints na shade. So, first, we have your Petal Core, and ganito yung shade niya pag in-swatch. So, this is the shade, Petal Core. Second shade, we have Current Mood. Ito yung packaging niya. And the last shade I have here is Endgame. This is the shade Endgame. Try ko yung Petal Core sa lips ko. Mhm. Ito yung side ng lips ko na merong Petal Core na shade. At sa taas yung wala. Now, let's apply on both lips. Ay, be, atake. Ito lang yung nude na willing akong ilik. So, this is the shade Petal Core on my lips. Smudge proof. O, diba? Lakas niya maka-fresh. And this could last up to 12 hours. Swatch ko yung dalawang other shades ko on my different videos. See you there!